if you go back
Mm.
to your place,
Mm.
and if someone asks you about the Menglong, what
Mm.
would you share to them?
Okay. The best part is that people are quite hospitable.
Mm-mm.
So hospitality is
Okay.
quite good, and also community bond
Mm-mm.
is quite well. I mean, good
That's strong. Yes.
compared to Japanese society.
Okay.
In Japanese society now, it's become quite individualistic,
Mm-mm.
and here, okay, and well, one can visit any. I mean, the relative's house or
Mm-mm.
maybe friend's house
Yes.
without any kind of previous appointment.
Yes, yes.
Just say hello, and then people invite the comers,
Mm-mm.
as it is, it's nothing,
Mm-mm.
something they don't surprise at all. They just
Yes.
offer tea,
Yes.
tea very naturally. But that doesn't happen in Japan.
Okay.
In Japan, I think if you visit someone's house,
Uh-uh.
even if your relative's house,
Uh-uh.
you have to make appointment.
Oh,
You have to
okay.
tell in advance, because Japanese people probably they have to clearing up the, they have to clear and also do some kind of washing and whatever to make this living room great, and they need preparation. So casual kind of meeting among relatives and friends, and that is the best part in Tamenron area, which Japan lacks.
Okay.
Missing.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Yes.
sir.